Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find leads in any niche so that you can sell your service and get awesome clients. Booking appointments is like oxygen for any business. And I struggled to realize this because no matter how good your product is, if you can't find people to solve problems for, you're essentially cooked. So what is the solution to this? First of all, you need to be able to find leads, right? You need to be able to access a database so that you can get those numbers or get those emails or get those contact details so that you can call them, message them, whatever it is. In this case, it's going to be specific to one method. So just stick around for that one. You need to be able to then scrape those leads. So going from finding them to scraping the leads and downloading them, keeping them somewhere externally, and then from there, contacting them and booking them as appointments. That's all really important. Now, this can all be done for free, except for the credits or minutes that you need when you're booking appointments. In this case, we're booking appointments the old school way, but I'll walk you through this. Now, finding leads is pretty simple. It's all about using Google Maps because Google Maps is an absolute goldmine. Literally everyone lists their business on Google, especially brick and mortar businesses or, real estate businesses and things like that. And you're just one simple search away from finding potential business owners to approach and give value to. I searched real estate development in the UK. I was doing that for my student, and I just click maps, and you see on Google Maps, you've got a bunch of businesses, and you can see like some of them don't have websites like this. So if you've got a website offer, this is perfect, so you can see all the details, the phone number, all of that. You can see the reviews. It's quite a lot of awesome information that you can find here. Now, since you've found these leads, cool, we found them on Google, we found them. And now we want to export them. What you'll need to do is scrape, right? So scraping is extracting all sorts of public information with a tool and then saving it to Excel so that you can reach out. Now, what you need is a tool called Instant Data Scraper. And Instant Data Scraper allows you to export a bunch of information. So for example, I've installed this now as a Chrome extension. Get Instant Data Scraper. What it will do is try all sorts of tables. So you just click here to make it go around. And if it highlights your actual search, all of these, you can see there's a bunch, right? You can actually start scrolling or start crawling, sorry. Now, with Google, it is an infinite scroll. So you don't have to locate a button because sometimes it says locate next button. You don't have to do that. You just click infinite scroll because it's Google, right? And then you just start crawling. And as you start crawling, you can see it just keeps scrolling down. It's an infinite scroll and it'll keep going until it reaches the end of the list. Like you can see, there's 40 rows collected, 40 pieces of information collected or businesses, which is absolutely amazing. You can see it just keeps populating the information, right? And this is a gold mine, absolute gold mine. So I will stop crawling here. And what will then happen is you can download this as an Excel file. So when you download it as an Excel file, you just need to give it a name, okay? So download, give it a name, real estate, and maybe put, UK and then the date, go into Excel or Google Sheets. Google Sheets is literally the best. So you go onto your Google Sheets and you import and upload whatever that is. You put it in there, it'll load, import all the data. Once the data is imported, you can clean up your list. So some of the stuff you don't really need, like this. Ideally, you've got all the contact data and you are ready to rock, right? You are an absolute stud. You are ready to rock. And this is how you get going. So once you've got these contacts, right, it's easy now. It's easy because you can go and call every one of these businesses. So you'll be able to get a phone number from Go High Level and you'll be able to start calling business owners quite easily. Just make sure you're doing 50 dials a day. That should be a good start. Once you've imported the leads and you've got all the data, you can go on and start cold calling. I guarantee you that 90% of people watching this video won't even try this. So you'll be part of the 10% or the 1% that decides to take action. Because the best and most immediate way to book calls for beginners is literally by cold calling. And that's what I did to get my first few clients when I was starting out. So really just cold call. It's going to make you a better speaker. It's going to identify a lot of flaws in your game so that you can be a better marketer at the end of the day. Warning, you'll be told no, but I like this saying, okay? It goes like this: you're literally one call away from booking your next client. So the best and quickest way to get a potential client interested is by taking the risk away from them, by offering a free piece of value or a free trial for your paid product, okay? This gives you a chance to deliver your service and get a case study or a testimonial and get paid sooner than you think. Most people think that, oh, if I'm going to do free stuff, I'm not going to get paid. But it's actually the opposite. You get paid in a multitude of ways. You get paid with a good review. You get paid with a referral, because let's say they really like what you do. They can refer you and still pay you. So, it actually gets you paid quicker than you think, because it'll only take you 14 to 15 days for them to start seeing good results. And even if they don't see results immediately, you can just say, let's do a pay on performance, which means for every appointment I get you, you pay me a specific amount. It comes down to, what are you willing to do to make your goals achievable? The best time to start was yesterday, but the next best time to start is today. From there, that should get you your first client. Guys, just do that every day. Do it obsessively. When you run out of leads, keep doing the method, run the play. And for extra, I've got a free community. It's called Disrupt. The link is down below. You can join. It is completely free. We do a one-to-one introduction call. So if you have any problems with your business that you need to identify and figure out how to solve, we can do that together. I'm actually conducting my first community call this week. So come join us, come be a part of the journey. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 entrepreneurs and business owners in 2025. So come join the journey, be a part of it, and let's kick some ass. See you soon. Have a good one.